How busy does your life feel right now?
And how often does that busyness feel normal instead of intentional?
In the next several minutes, you will listen to a calm conversation about busy life and slow life.
There is nothing you need to solve. Nothing you need to change right now.
Just listen and notice how the ideas feel.
This episode lasts a little over 10 minutes.
You can listen while resting, walking, or doing something simple.
Let the words flow without effort.
Jennifer, many people describe their lives as busy.
Yes, and often they say it with a mix of pride and exhaustion.
That combination is interesting. Being busy is sometimes seen as a sign of importance
Or success.
or productivity.
But when we slow down and examine it, busyness has many layers.
Some of them are external,
Work,
family,
responsibilities,
and some are internal,
expectations,
pressure.
and constant mental activity.
Many learners notice that even during quiet moments, their mind stays busy.
That is a key point. A busy life is not only about a full schedule,
It is also about a full mind,
thoughts jumping from one thing to another,
planning,
worrying.
replaying conversations,
This mental speed often goes unnoticed.
because it feels familiar.
A slow life, on the other hand, is often misunderstood
Many people imagine it as empty or unproductive,
or disconnected from real responsibilities.
but slowing down does not mean doing less.
It means doing things with more presence.
Presence changes the experience of time,
When we are present, time feels wider.
even if the day is full.
This situation is very common. Two people can have the same schedule.
One feels constantly rushed.
The other feels grounded.
The difference is not time.
It is attention.
Busy life often pulls attention in many directions.
Notifications.
Messages.
Requests.
Each one feels small.
But together, they fragment focus.
Slow life protects focus,
Not by escaping the world.
but by creating boundaries within it
Boundaries that reduce constant reaction.
and increase intentional response.
Listen closely to this next idea. Speed is not the same as progress.
And slowness is not the same as delay.
A busy life feels fast.
But fast doesn't always mean effective.
A slow life feels deliberate.
Each action has a reason.
Each pause has value.
This difference affects learning as well.
When life feels rushed, learning feels pressured.
You try to understand everything immediately.
When life feels slower, learning feels natural.
You allow understanding to build.
This is especially true for listening
Listening requires patience.
and openness.
A busy mind struggles with both.
A slower mind welcomes them.
Many people move between busy and slow without realizing it.
Some days feel rushed.
Other days feel calm.
Often, the difference is not external events.
It is how those events are met,
With tension,
or with presence.
a slow life is not a destination,
It is a way of relating to what is already there,
and this relationship can change gradually.
through small choices
Small pauses.
and small shifts in attention.
As we continue, we will explore how these shifts appear in real daily situations.
And how a slower approach can exist even inside a busy life. When we look at real daily situations, the contrast between busy life and slow life becomes clearer.
Especially in moments that seem small.
For example, moving from one task to another,
In a busy rhythm, that transition is rushed.
One task ends and the next one begins immediately.
There is no space in between.
In a slower rhythm, that space matters.
Even a short pause changes the experience.
It allows the mind to reset.
And to release what is no longer needed.
Many people underestimate this transition time.
But transitions shape how the whole day feels.
A busy life often ignores transitions.
A slow life respects them.
Listen closely to this next part. Busy life is often driven by urgency.
Everything feels important.
Everything feels immediate.
Slow life questions that urgency.
It asks what truly needs attention now.
And what can wait?
This shift reduces internal pressure.
Pressure that many people accept as normal.
When pressure decreases, clarity increases.
And clarity supports better choices.
This applies strongly to work.
A busy work life often values speed.
Fast responses.
Full calendars.
Constant availability.
A slower approach values depth.
Fewer tasks.
More focus.
And clearer priorities.
This does not mean lower standards.
It often means higher quality.
Quality work requires mental space.
And mental space is rare in a constantly busy state.
Many people notice that slowing down feels uncomfortable at first.
Because it removes distraction.
And reveals fatigue.
Or dissatisfaction.
But this awareness is not negative.
It is informative.
It shows what needs care.
A slow life allows that care to happen.
Not all at once.
But gradually.
Gradual change is more sustainable.
Especially for habits.
Busy life often relies on intensity.
Slow life relies on consistency.
Consistency builds trust with yourself.
Trust reduces internal conflict.
And reduced conflict creates calm.
Calm affects how we listen.
Not only to language.
But to people.
And to ourselves.
In a busy state, listening becomes selective.
You listen for efficiency.
In a slower state, listening becomes receptive.
You listen for understanding.
This difference changes relationships.
And it changes learning.
A slow approach to listening allows meaning to emerge.
Without force.
Without tension.
And without constant evaluation.
That is why listening practice works best as a daily habit.
Not as a performance.
A few calm minutes each day.
Repeated consistently.
Creates real progress.
Progress that feels natural.
If this conversation felt easy to follow,
that suggests your listening skills are developing well.
Stay with this slower rhythm.
Let listening become part of your routine.
Even on busy days.
Especially on busy days.
Thank you for spending this time listening.
We invite you to return tomorrow and continue building this habit.